Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so we're going to take a look at Android 12 Beta 4 on the Google Pixel 5. And I'm going to check it with all the other Pixels that I have just to see if there's any types of differences between. But we're gonna start off with the Pixel 5 and let you guys know how this update is impacting the Pixel 5. First of all, Android 12 Beta 4 is in fact more stable than previous beta releases of Android 12. A couple of things that has been added in. One of them, the big one, is the gaming settings. So you got game settings now within the do not disturb settings. So that's where you will find this. And what it does is it allows you to natively stream to YouTube from your game, as well as block all notifications from interfering with your game experience, which is pretty nice to have that natively in stock Android. Usually you find those types of things with modified versions of Android. So it's really nice to see that here. Besides that, I can tell you guys that the widgets has not updated just yet. So if you were wanting the clock widget, the quirky little, gear cog looking clock widget, it's not available just yet. However, if you were to go into settings and to go look at the Easter egg, you will see the clock there, the clock widget that we were all hoping that would be present in beta 4. It is not ready yet on Android beta. And we'll most likely see this change when the full Android 12 is released to the public. But some of the widgets have kind of changed a little bit. You can see they're mostly rounded corners now instead of sharp corners, especially like calendar and things like that. So those things are present with the latest beta release. But the clock widget hasn't, which I know is a big one because there is a third-party clock widget app that you can download from the Play Store to give you that look and feel. Overall, the fluidity of Android 12 has gotten a lot better. One major problem is that if you're a content creator and you use YouTube Studios, the app still crashes. That has not been fixed, but other than that, most things are still working, and the theming for the Google apps has been updated with more apps being themed when you apply it to the home screen. Other than that, third-party apps like Facebook and Twitter, you would have to wait for them to basically update their app icon so that way it'll match with the Material UI. So if you guys enjoyed what I had to say in this video, smash the like button. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to the channel, and turn on bell notifications to be notified when I upload videos. Thanks for checking out my video today. More to come. As always, aloha.